Hey guys, been a while since I've done a video. Just wanted to get you updated on what I'm working on. This is just a little PSA on gas tank liners. Let me show you what I'm talking about. What we have here is the gas tank for my motorcycle. As you can see, I've covered it with tape to protect it because I put POR gas tank liner in it about 3 years ago, and I want to show you what the result is of this product. It did not stick and started to peel, and I spent the good part of 2 days getting this shit out of the tank. Their recommendation was to use aircraft stripper. It does not work. So if you're in the same boat I'm in, this is what you're going to have to do. A lot of scraping, a lot of vacuuming, and a lot of using a modified air blower to get it all loose. So there's your tech tip of the day. Do not use POR gas tank liner.